Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your uh, Power BI dashboards into your GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will be first create a new repository, and you will need to have the README file so you can start adding the snapshots of your uh, Power BI dashboard. And basically, you can go to this exact link, and then you will be able to access to this README description that we can start adding. And basically, that's what I'm going to do now. And now I'm just going to the README file, and I'm just going to edit on it. So here I'm just going to click on edit this file, and I'm just going to select all. And here I'm having, and basically we can have the preview, and basically those are some snapshots that you will be able to start getting. And all you will be needing to do now is to go to the dashboard link here that I have in this readme file, and you will need to change it with your own dashboard. So basically you will be needing to publish it and to share your dashboard, and you will need to add the link to it. And now we are going to start using the GitHub cards, and as you can see, those are just steps to follow. You can load the data into your Power BI desktop, and etc. And then you will need just to share it so we can get this link and have it here. And as you can see, now you will be able just to start changing these ones. So basically, you will be able to find your snap here, snap one, and you will find the snap count, and basically you will also have the pages, etc. And basically this guide or this readme guide have every detail that you can get. And basically the list or the showing or basically the preview would be as follow, and you will get follows snapshots like these and some dashboards like this. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.